So now let's see how we can work around and apply the Glamour filter inside of Pixlr E. So to work around with the Glamour filter, I need to go around into the filter menu on the top. And then over here, you can see Glamour is an option. So once you click on Glamour, what happens is that the controls are simply straightforward. You can just increase the amount, and then you can see that you can add in some interest onto it. So there's a bit of a contrast right there, a bit of a brightness, and so forth. You can see that before and after right here. And once you press apply, this is what you get. You get a more like interesting thing to look at right here with more cinematic look. I'm going to go around over here and open out another image. So I'm just going to go for a stock set. Let's say, for example, I'm going to set a person right here, just like this. And then let's say I'm going to work around with Glamour for this picture right here. And let's see how that actually looks up. So I can go onto the web option right here. So I'm going to go around into filter, go to Glamour right here, increase the amount. And you can see that you got more like a glamorous, like film look, as you can see right here. So you can increase and decrease the slider to make it look more cinematic, just like that. And that is how the Glamour filter works inside of Pixlr E. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.